Welcome to our video on how to use the FormatJS plugin in Rspack's WC loader. If you're working with JavaScript projects, chances are you've heard of these tools. In this video, we'll dive into the world of formatting and optimizing your code using the powerful combination of FormatJS and Rspack's WC loader. FormatJS is a popular plugin that helps you format your JavaScript code to make it more readable and consistent. On the other hand, Rspack is a fast and efficient bundler that uses the WC loader to optimize your code for production. By combining these two tools, you can take your code formatting and optimization to the next level. In this video, we'll cover how to set up FormatJS with Rspack's WC loader, what benefits it provides, and some best practices to keep in mind. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this tutorial is designed to be easy to follow and will have you formatting like a pro in no time. So, let's start with the basics. FormatJS is a plugin that can be integrated into your build process to format your JavaScript code according to a set of predefined rules. These rules can include things like indentation, line wrapping, and spacing between functions. To use FormatJS with Rspack's WC loader, you'll need to install both packages in your project directory. Once installed, you can configure FormatJS to work with Rspack by adding it to your rspack.config JSEs file. One of the key benefits of using FormatJS is that it helps keep your code consistent across different developers and projects. By setting a standard for formatting, you can make your code more readable and maintainable in the long run. But how does it actually work when you run Rspack with the WC loader? It will automatically detect the presence of FormatJS and apply its rules to your code before bundling it. This means that even if different developers on your team have different formatting preferences, the final output will always be consistent. Let's take an example. Suppose you're working on a project with multiple developers, each with their own preferred coding style. Without a standardized format, this can lead to messy and hard-to-read code. But with FormatJS, you can define a set of rules that ensure all your code is formatted in the same way, regardless of who wrote it. So, what are the main points to take away from this video? First, FormatJS is a powerful plugin for formatting JavaScript code according to predefined rules. Second, Rspack's WC loader provides an efficient way to bundle and optimize your code for production. By combining these two tools, you can achieve consistent and optimized code that's easier to read and maintain. Some key things to remember include: install FormatJS and Rspack in your project directory. Configure FormatJS in your rspack.config JSEs file. Define a set of formatting rules for your project. Run Rspack with the WC loader to apply the rules and bundle your code. That's it for today's video on how to use FormatJS with Rspack's WC loader. By following these simple steps, you can take your code formatting and optimization to the next level. We hope this tutorial has been informative and helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials on JavaScript development. What's your favorite coding style? Do you use FormatJS or other formatting tools in your projects? Share with us in the comments.